Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Partnership. So today I'm talking about evapotranspiration. So yesterday in or my previous video I showed you about and some basics about evapotranspiration, why it is important. Mainly this is nowadays you can see a lot of discussion about water stress and water risk. So that's why this is one of the parameter or factor which can affect the stress, right? So it can help you the identification of water stress areas. So that's why we are talking about, and this is we are using modest data. Why we are using this is 8-day evapotranspiration global data, and a lot of material you can find about this one or this, so that you can do your research. So I this is just continuation of my previous video. So I have taken this area, and you can use your study area. I did it from here, like I just this one, right? So you can put your own study area, or you can upload your shape file, GIS file, whatever. So this is UI. Now this is modis evapotranspiration. This is variable ET and E dot image collection. This is modis. You can just search the search. You type modis. So this one is my data. You can see here. We have description here. We have band. So we are with ET. So that's why we have written here ET, and date you can change, right? 22 whatever, you can put 24 also, 25 means, and this is the clip. And now I want to display it, so I'm not typing, I have just already mentioned here. You just control B, so you run here, right? So you can see now this is my same thing I have shown you in my previous video also, right? I will just remove this one. So you can see this is evapotranspiration. If you click here, you will anywhere you can get, this one. Evapotranspiration means someone here is 7, right? If you come here up to this area, it should be like 7. So it's a 7, right? 8. So like if you go here, like here, so you can see I'm just clicking here, so it's a 7 point, something like that. Right, so this is, and this is the means it's a yearly evapotranspiration. So now what I'm going to show you that you will go to next level. So now we will include this one. Now we will classify it, right? So in different, if we zone, if we classify, just click here, right? So we are classifying it, classify. So you can, if it is where pixel is less than 300, then it should be 1. If it is greater than 300 or less than 600, it all depends on what zone you want to put. So you can classify here. If you run this, then you will get different colors, right? You will get the yellow, light green, like this. And this blue one, actually, what happened is, if you this one is masked area, so they have not calculated for these reservoirs and all. That's why it is coming like this, right? So this is the masking area. If you click here, then you can get the evapotranspiration anywhere. If you click here, there is a masked area, so it will, nothing will come here. So that's why it is happening like that. So better now we have. So this is means, if one yellow means 1 here. You can see yellow means 1. It is 1 to 4. 1 is yellow, light green is 2, green is 3, and dark green is 4. So these are the ET zones. So that's why if it is 1 means low ET, means yellow. It means here low evapotranspiration, right? So this is what I wanted to show you. So next is that so we want to basically now we want to make it more effective. So suppose we want to include the land cover map. So it will help you in detail, right? To understand means what kind of land cover is there where we are, yeah, calculating the evapotranspiration. If it is forest area, it will have different. If it is urban area, it will have different effects, right? So this is so we have we have defined this. This is built up land. We are using this land cover ESA word. So if similarly, you can type here ESA word cover, then you can get detail about it, right? So just run it. So so it will help you in means to understand the landscape, right? So you can see here. So we have this kind of so if urbanity means it's a yellow to red, and if it is you can see here from here now we have, let's see, I'm just, it's urbanity, right? So I will just go to the satellite mode. So you can see this yellow one, right? So yellow one, it is the urbanity. So you can just, yeah, like this area, you can click here in the this area. So you click here, then it will have different evapotranspiration. Like you can see, it has four, right? The urbanity is 4.80 somewhere here. So you can see means it is no, if non, it is if non-urban, then that's why it is must, means it's the urban ET. So that's why, if non-urban, then you can see the green area, green one is the non-ET. So you can click here. So it's a non 8.4. So that's why, you can compare the things. So it will help you to identify how, from where, which place is more stress or less stress. Means this is one of the parameter. Of course, we will do more detailing on this. So I think, guys, that's it. So you try it and comment here, and you can improve this code. I'm learning, that's why, I'm just putting those things here. It doesn't mean that this is the only code. You can try by yourself, and you can do a lot of things. So next is that I will try to I'll calculate the area of evapotranspiration. How much means that what is the category of which area, right? So that it will help, or we can download also this image. And in the last video also I mentioned that you can download this image into your Google Drive. You please go to my previous videos where related to Google Earth Engine. In every video, I have showed you that how to download the uh, uh, Google these images, means these results, so that you can use that in your QGIS, ArcGIS, or any GIS software for more detailing and visualization. Right? Thank you.